हाँ हेलो हाँ kali dukan komen kema dukan
Kading kabaklang kalabamdu eka office treikam ka Shillong Bar Association kabadan marjan bat ka DC office minta kamit arpasau tarik rempang arjara posau hakipor kumbash phoba JEA. Kane ka jaka treikam kinoy site ain kade ka ïeng kabala rimbha kabala shnada kiding bala penlong eka ding bahkan pur step bha. Laban kadeo bay kane ka ïeng latte naduh snem syajar knai spa khatlai. Ya kadaw halor ka jing Pluh jong kane ka ïeng ompar laban tep hadu bapan mi eka ka kubor. Halor kane ka jingjia nakal yang Myntri Rangbah ka jela ukurat kia sangma harengkat usembut Myntri Rangbah ubasnyo balang dhar kilawan ban yuk kejat hak te jaka.
Oh my god. Just excuse me. Wednesday they spoke outside around 8:30. The chowkidar is here. He explained that we the 5 from one section, all the wires
no casualty. No casualty.
No, sir.
Ano mo dyan?
Around 8:30, sir.
everything is under control.
Lots of wooden things that's done very fast.
Conditions that led to the fire out here in the judiciary area. Mostly the Bar Association is here, and it's very unfortunate. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Urban Affairs, Chief Secretary, and the officials from the police department and the administration, we are all here. And of course it's a very unfortunate incident, but we are very relieved that there's no loss of life, and no casualty was there. But of course the fact that the infrastructure is damaged, and the fact that there could be loss of documents and all is obviously a concern, but we are doing our best to make sure that we minimize the damage. And even now in the site, we are all here and we are monitoring the situation, and we want to make sure that no further damage is done. So I'm thankful to the fire department that is here to handle the situation, and of course we are happy that everybody is safe, but yet there's been a great loss, and but as the government will monitor the situation and make sure that overall there's no further damage to the situation, and and monitor the whole situation, and see that no further damage is done in the situation that we have right now. Thank you.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center